Where do you see Yiddish now in the world, and what does it mean to you personally? Where is it out in the world, and where is it in you?
You know, I don't hear it at all now. I don't know anyone in my generation that's speaking Yiddish. So from where I have not answered this question or thought about this at all. I'm pleased to be thinking. Now I'm sad about the answer, but my parents' generation, in my view, seems to be the last generation to use Yiddish somewhat. And my grandparents' generation was the last generation in my memory that used it a great deal. Every once in a while, somebody from Israel will be in my life, visiting from Israel, or some friend of a friend, and we will, that person may bring up the Yiddish, or I'll bring up the Yiddish, and we'll talk Yiddish a little, and that's as close as I get to it now.